Hello guys, today we are going to solve the day 10 of HackerRank, and that is binary number. Let's read the question of these binary numbers. Actually, this question wants to convert the digit into the binary form, and that binary form is the compositions of 1 and 0. So the question wants to answer the maximum number of consecutive 1 in that binary representation. It means, for example, if the given number is 5, thus the output should be 1. That is why a binary represent of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. So the maximum number of consecutive 1 is 1. There is no 1 next to 1. So it's only stand for 1. And another case too, there is a 13. Given number is 13. So it's 13 digits, and the binary representation of 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. So the maximum number of consecutive 1 is 2. That is 1 next to 1 is 1, so it's 2. So let's solve this problem. Before solving these problems, I want to like tell about some methods, how it's done, how should it be done, and and this is my way. Before solving the problem, there's we have to need some like methods, how that method, and applying that methods we can solve that problem easily. So let's, what is that method? And there's a method, we we have to convert digit into the binary form. So Java have that method. So let's know about that method. Method 1, it's like to convert that in that digit into binary. Is there's a method called integer dot to binary string. This one, it will convert that given number into binary, and this method tells about binary string, so it is converted into the binary form of strings, right? And another method we use is method 2, is that string has to that binary string has to compare 1 next to 1. So we have to make that array so that single character is compared, right? So to convert to array, and that array is a character array, because strings has a character, that and the character is compared, character next to character, right? And using this method we can solve this problem. So let me know, scanner here in, right? Scanner in has take the given digits, or any digits that may be 5 or 13, and integer n has represent that digit or whatever. So we have to evaluate from n. So let's do it. So we have to make an array, right? So that array from the n, and the n has to be converted into the binary form. So let's character, like to make the character array we need character big bracket, right? And the name of, sorry, binary. Name of that character, that array is binary, and that binary, using the method first to convert into binary form, right? And we use n, so inside the method is there is n, and that total binary string n is now have to convert into array, so we use the two character array, right? Now this binary has an array of that 1001 1101. And before we going to compare the binary, we need counting for one, right? So we make an integer count for one, and initially it should be 0, right? And another count is the maximum count for the one, so max, we write maximum count because initially is also, sorry, initially 0. Now it's time for comparing, right? For you, so we use the for loop. So for looping, there's we need I, which is initially 0, and I should not greater than that binary binary length, sorry, binary length, and there is increment of I, so that it will check next by next. So initially 0, right? And we compare right here, and the comparing, while comparing it will count for 1, right? You count for 1, right? Discuss 2, and there's a different method, but this method is something like easy, so we binary count discuss 2, and this binary I, binary at position I, whatever 1 0 1, anything, there is only 1 0, so first positions of binary, right? Compare equals to 0, right? Oh, sorry, 0, right? If it is 0, and this what, and this method question mark means compare, so using compare signs, and there is true or false only. So in the true, if it is true, it should be 0, right? Sorry, if it is false, it should be count for +1. So initially count for 1 is a 0, right? So after adding 1, it will be 1. So this for loop is compare 0 and resulting value 1. So why not we use 1 for these questions? And we use the 0 because comparing 0, we can easily give the result of number of 1 next to 1, so it's make easier, so we use that 0 comparing. And if we need now if statement to compare how there's next to next, like how many 1 is consecutive, how many there are maximum number consecutive of 1, so we use if statement for that, and it's very simple. If count for 1 is greater than max count, which is initially at 0, so if count for 1 is count for 1 plus 0 plus 1 means it is 1, so 1 is greater than 0, so it's true. So max count is changed now. Max count is changed to count for 1, right? So, and after finishing each statement and for loop, it will, the max count will calculate how many one next consecutive one, calculate the consecutive one, right? So you have to give the result of this maximum max count. So max count and print, okay, whatever we use this, I use this, and print is a max count, right? Here it goes, right? Okay, let's check it. And the system out resolves the maximum count, and the maximum counts contains the consecutive maximum consecutive number of maximum number of consecutive one. So let's run this code. Okay, processing. Okay, congratulations, you have passed the sample test. Okay, the output stand is 1 and the expected was 1. So this is it. We do it, and let's submit this code in. Okay, test 0, test, okay, test 1, test 2, it's pass, false. Okay, and yes, okay, I got the points. Okay, thank you for guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.